Welcome back to Doomsday Prepper. Let's talk about emergency kits. Many of us feel confident about our preparedness. We've stocked up on food, water, and the basics, but is your kit truly complete? The Red Cross has identified critical items that are often missing from even the most well-thought-out kits. These items could be the difference between a minor inconvenience and a major disaster. Today, I'm sharing 10 essential additions to your emergency kit that you might have overlooked. Stick around until the end because I'll include a crucial bonus tip. And before we start, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you're always one step ahead in your prepping journey. Let's dive in. 1. Emergency lighting, reliable illumination for any situation. Let's start with something basic yet often overlooked: lighting. Many preppers include a flashlight in their kits, but is one flashlight enough? The Red Cross emphasizes the need for multiple, reliable lighting sources to suit various scenarios. A standard flashlight is essential, but don't stop there. Add a headlamp for hands-free illumination. It's a game changer when performing tasks like cooking, first aid, or securing your shelter. Battery-powered lanterns are another must-have, especially for lighting larger spaces. Look for models with adjustable brightness settings to conserve power. Glow sticks, though simple, are lightweight, safe for children, and can provide hours of illumination in a pinch. Don't forget to pack extra batteries in a waterproof container, or better yet, invest in a solar charger or hand crank generator to keep your devices powered indefinitely. In a crisis, reliable lighting isn't just about visibility. It's about safety, security, and maintaining your morale when the world goes dark. 2. Communication tools. Staying connected when it matters most. In a disaster, communication is often the first thing to break down, and it's one of the most critical aspects of survival. The Red Cross recommends including tools in your kit that allow you to stay informed and connected when traditional networks fail. And no AA weather radio should top your list. Choose one that's battery-powered, hand crank, or solar-powered to ensure you have access to weather updates, evacuation orders, and other critical alerts. Walkie-talkies are another essential item, especially if you're prepping with a group or family. These devices allow you to maintain communication over short distances without relying on cellular networks. Make sure they're fully charged and test them regularly to ensure they function properly. Additionally, include low-tech communication options like a whistle and a signal mirror. These can help attract attention from rescuers if you're stranded or isolated. Finally, keep a written list of emergency contacts in your kit. Store it in a waterproof bag so it's accessible even if your phone is dead. Communication is a lifeline in any emergency, so make sure your kit is equipped to keep you connected when it matters most. 3. Clothing and shelter. Protection from the elements. Clothing and shelter might not seem as critical as food and water, but they can be just as vital in an emergency. The Red Cross recommends packing clothing that is versatile and suited to your climate. This means layers for colder conditions, such as thermal underwear, fleece jackets, and insulated gloves. For hot or humid climates, prioritize lightweight, moisture-wicking fabrics that help regulate body temperature. A waterproof jacket and sturdy, waterproof boots are essential no matter where you live. Don't overlook the importance of extra socks. Wet feet can lead to blisters and infections, which can quickly become serious in a survival scenario. For shelter, include items like an emergency bivy sack or thermal space blanket. These are compact, lightweight, and designed to retain body heat in cold conditions. A durable tarp and paracord can be used to construct a makeshift shelter or cover damaged roofs and windows. Add a sleeping bag rated for your climate, and consider an inflatable camping mat for insulation from the cold ground. Whether you're outdoors or stuck in a damaged home, proper clothing and shelter protect you from the elements and ensure your survival. 4. First aid, comprehensive medical supplies. A basic first aid kit might seem sufficient, but the Red Cross advises taking it a step further to ensure you're prepared for any medical emergency. Start with the essentials like adhesive bandages, antiseptic wipes, and sterile gauze pads. Then, add more advanced supplies such as a tourniquet, hemostatic agents, and trauma dressings for severe injuries. Prescription medications are often overlooked but are crucial. Include a minimum of a week's supply of any essential medications your family needs, along with over-the-counter options like ibuprofen, antihistamines, and anti-diarrheal tablets. Store them in waterproof containers and check expiration dates regularly. Additional tools like tweezers, scissors, and a digital thermometer are indispensable. Nitrile gloves, face masks, and safety goggles protect you while administering first aid. Finally, include a pocket-sized first aid manual to guide you in handling injuries and illnesses during high-stress situations. Comprehensive medical readiness is not just about treating minor injuries. It's about being prepared to handle life-threatening situations when professional help is unavailable. 5. Food preparation. Cooking without modern convenience. Food stockpiling is a common prepping practice, but how often do we consider how to prepare that food without modern conveniences? The Red Cross emphasizes the importance of including portable cooking equipment in your emergency kit. A camping stove or small propane burner is a great start, but don't forget to stock enough fuel to last several days. A manual can opener is another essential item. Many people forget this simple tool, even though canned goods are a staple of emergency food supplies. Compact cooking utensils, collapsible pots, and heat-proof pans are also invaluable for preparing meals in challenging conditions. For longer-term scenarios, consider investing in a solar oven. It's a sustainable and fuel-free option for cooking and baking. Lightweight seasonings, coffee, and tea might seem like luxuries, but they can boost morale and make meals more enjoyable during stressful times. Preparing food isn't just about survival, it's about maintaining a sense of normalcy and comfort in uncertain circumstances. 6. Sanitation and hygiene, staying clean in a crisis. Sanitation is often underestimated during disaster preparation, yet it's critical for preventing illness and maintaining morale. The Red Cross highlights the need for essential hygiene supplies in your emergency kit. Start with the basics: toothbrushes, toothpaste, soap, and hand sanitizer. Opt for biodegradable soap that can be used in outdoor environments without harming the ecosystem. Include a supply of moist towelettes and dry shampoo for times when bathing isn't an option. Don't forget feminine hygiene products and diapers if needed for your family. A compact travel towel is versatile and quick drying, making it ideal for emergencies. For waste management, pack heavy-duty garbage bags, duct tape, and a collapsible toilet or portable potty system. These ensure safe and sanitary waste disposal in situations where plumbing isn't functional. Add chlorine tablets or a small bottle of bleach to sanitize surfaces and water containers when necessary. Maintaining cleanliness during a crisis isn't just about comfort. It's about protecting your health and preventing the spread of disease. 7. Water filtration and purification. Beyond bottled water, water is life. And while most preppers stock bottled water, the Red Cross stresses the importance of having tools for filtration and purification. In a prolonged crisis, your bottled supply will eventually run out, and you'll need alternative methods to ensure safe drinking water. A portable water filter like a Life Straw or Sawyer Mini is an excellent addition to your kit. These lightweight devices can filter out bacteria, protozoa, and other harmful contaminants. For larger quantities of water, consider a gravity-fed filtration system, which can process several gallons at a time. Chemical purification tablets are another reliable option. They're compact, easy to use, and effective against most waterborne pathogens. As a backup, include a small bottle of unscented household bleach. Just a few drops can purify a gallon of water. Don't forget collapsible water containers for transporting and storing filtered water. In a crisis, clean water is non-negotiable, so make sure your kit has the tools to secure it no matter the circumstances. 8. Tools and multi-purpose gear. Versatility. In one package, having the right tools can make all the difference in a survival scenario, and the Red Cross recommends including versatile gear that can perform multiple functions. A sturdy multi-tool or Swiss Army knife should be a staple in your kit, offering everything from blades and screwdrivers to can openers and scissors. Duct tape is another unsung hero of emergency kits. Its uses are virtually limitless, repairing gear, sealing leaks, creating makeshift splints, and more. A folding shovel can assist with digging trenches, clearing debris, or even extinguishing fires. Pack a roll of heavy-duty plastic sheeting and paracord. These can be used to build shelters, patch broken windows, or create a rainwater collection system. Don't underestimate the importance of a reliable fire-starting tool. Waterproof matches, a ferro rod, or a butane lighter should all find a place in your kit. Versatile tools don't just save space, they empower you to adapt and improvise, which is key to survival. 9. Important documents. Safeguarding your identity and plans. In the chaos of an emergency, having quick access to critical documents can make a world of difference. The Red Cross advises preppers to include copies of important paperwork in their emergency kits. This should include identification documents like passports, driver's licenses, and social security cards. Also, include copies of insurance policies, medical records, and emergency contact information. If you have property deeds, car titles, or wills, make digital copies and store them on a USB drive, which is lightweight and portable. Protect these documents by sealing them in waterproof and fireproof containers to ensure they remain intact during a disaster. Additionally, write down critical numbers and addresses. Don't rely solely on digital devices, which could fail in a grid-down scenario. Maps of your local area and evacuation routes should also be included. Having your documents organized and ready to go will save you valuable time and reduce stress during an emergency. 10. Mental health and entertainment. Keeping spirits high. Surviving a crisis isn't just about physical preparedness. Your mental well-being is equally important. The Red Cross emphasizes including items in your kit that can help maintain morale and reduce stress. Simple forms of entertainment like playing cards, books, or puzzles can provide a much-needed distraction during challenging times. Journals and pens can be therapeutic, allowing you to process emotions or document important events. If you have children, pack small toys or games to keep them occupied and comforted. For adults, a favorite book or music playlist can offer a sense of normalcy. Consider adding comfort items like a small family photo, sentimental keepsakes, or even your favorite snack. These small touches can make a significant difference in boosting morale. Don't forget to include resources for mental health first aid, such as stress relief exercises or calming essential oils. A prepared mind is a resilient mind, and that resilience could be what carries you through a disaster. And finally, if you've made it this far, don't forget to subscribe for more critical prepping advice. Staying prepared is a journey, and together, we'll make sure you're ready for anything life throws your way.